Quick question. If you could go back in time and change one thing in your life, what would it be? Fixing a mistake, buying Bitcoin in 2010, or stopping yourself from getting that bad haircut? We all want to do it. But science says it's impossible, right? Well, actually, maybe not. Albert Einstein might disagree with you. Today, we are breaking down the real science of time travel. Buckle up. It's the ultimate sci-fi fantasy. The ability to jump into a machine, hit 88 miles per hour, and go back to fix your past mistakes, or zoom forward to see flying cars. But is it actually just fantasy? Or do the laws of physics allow us to cheat the clock? The answer is yes and no, and it's complicated. Today, we are breaking down the real science of time travel. How to go forward, how to go back, and why the universe might hate you for trying. Let's start with the good news. Traveling to the future is 100% possible. In fact, you're doing it right now at a rate of 1 second per second. But if you want to get there faster than everyone else, you need Albert Einstein. Specifically, his theory of special relativity. Einstein discovered that time is not constant. It's like a river, it can flow fast or slow depending on how fast you are moving. This is called time dilation. The rule is simple. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. We've actually proven this. Cosmonaut Sergei Krikalev spent over 800 days orbiting Earth at 17,000 miles per hour. Because of his speed, he actually time traveled into the future by about 0.02 seconds. Okay, 0.02 seconds isn't impressive. But if you had a ship that could fly at 99.9% the speed of light, you could fly away for a year, turn around, and come back to find that decades had passed on Earth. You would effectively be a time traveler visiting the future. Traveling to the future is just engineering. But traveling to the past, that is where physics gets messy. To go back, speed isn't enough. You need general relativity. You need to warp space-time so intensely that it folds back on itself. Scientists call this an Einstein-Rosen bridge, or more commonly, a wormhole. Imagine a tunnel that connects 2 points in time. Theoretically, you could enter one end today and exit the other end yesterday. The math actually works. If we did, gravity would likely crush it instantly. To keep it open, we would need something called exotic matter with negative energy, which we aren't even sure exists. But let's say you build the wormhole. You go back in time. Now you face the biggest problem of all. Paradoxes. The most famous is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you go back in time and stop your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. That means your parent is never born, which means you are never born. So, if you were never born, how did you go back in time to stop him? It's a logical loop with no end. This is why famous physicist Stephen Hawking proposed the chronology protection conjecture. Basically, he believed the universe has a defense mechanism that makes time travel impossible to prevent these paradoxes. The universe protects itself from our stupidity. However, there is one loophole. Quantum mechanics suggests that maybe, when you go back, you don't change your past, you create a new timeline. So, if you kill your grandfather, you kill him in a parallel universe. In your original timeline, he's still alive, and you were still born. You're just now stuck in a different reality. So, is time travel possible? To the future? Yes, if you go fast enough. To the past, only if you can find a wormhole, survive it, and are okay with potentially breaking the universe. If you could time travel, would you go forward to see the tech, or backward to see history? It's all theoretical, but it's fascinating to think about, right? Now, my future self told me that if you don't hit the subscribe button in the next 5 seconds, a time paradox might destroy the internet. Just kidding. Or am I? Seriously though, drop a comment below. Where or when would you travel to if you had a time machine? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you yesterday or tomorrow, whenever. Bye.